Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by deciding how the joint must behave: rigid under shear, removable, or heat-resistant. Once chosen, clean both mating faces to bare metal. Solvents and coarse sanding remove oils and scale, improving adhesion. Make a dry mock-up and clamp parts in the final orientation so alignment is perfect. Next, measure the gap and confirm whether your chosen filler, adhesive, brazing rod, or fastener matches the joint geometry. Begin with precise surface prep, because that controls strength later. Now you execute the join. For adhesives, mix thoroughly and spread a consistent bead so the bond line is thin and even. Clamp to squeeze out excess and keep surfaces captive while curing. For mechanical fasteners, drill straight, countersink or counterbore where needed, fit hardware of correct grade, and torque to spec so the clamp load carries shear. If using brazing, apply flux, heat evenly until the filler flows by capillary action, then cool slowly and clean off residues to protect the joint. Complete the job by allowing full cure or cooling time. Do not stress the joint during that period because early loading causes failure. Once set, remove clamps, tidy bead lines, and apply corrosion protection like paint or sealant. Then perform a visual and functional test. Light load first, then full load to confirm integrity. If the joint fails, check for contamination, wrong adhesive, or inadequate clamping. Reprep surfaces, redo the joint, or add bolts/rivets as a mechanical backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.